Welcome to MIK Islam Hub. The Quran is often admired for its depth, including the subtle inclusion of mathematical structures. Here are 10 fascinating mathematical patterns and numerology facts found in the Quran. 1. Symmetry in word counts. The word day appears exactly 365 times in the Quran, corresponding to the number of days in a solar year. Similarly, the word month is found 12 times, mirroring the months in a year. 2. Mention of earth and sea. The Quran mentions the word land 13 times and sea 32 times. If you add them, 13 plus 32 equals 45, and calculate the percentage, land makes up approximately 28.88% and sea 71.11%, remarkably close to the actual proportions of land and water on Earth. Third, symmetry in opposing words. Some words with opposite meanings are mentioned an equal number of times in Quran, such as the word angel, used 88 times, and devil is also used 88 times. The word life used 145 times, death also used 145 times. Good deeds used 167 times, bad deeds used 167 times, belief used 17 times, disbelief used 17 times, and man and woman each mentioned 23 times. The numerical miracle of 19. The Quran contains numerical patterns centered around the number 19. For instance, the opening verse, Bismillah, has 19 letters, and the number of chapters and verses exhibit patterns when grouped in multiples of 19.5. Human creation timeline. The word man appears 65 times, and it is interesting to note that the average age associated with a typical lifespan across various cultures is around 65. 6. Days and count of prayers. While day is repeated 365 times, night appears 92 times, aligning with the balance of day and night cycles in a year. The phrase salah, prayer, is also mentioned multiple times in ways that correspond with the 5 daily prayers in Islam. 7. Weight and justice. The word justice and scale are each repeated 23 times, reinforcing the idea that fairness is essential in life. 8. Patterns with numbers. The Quran mentions certain numbers frequently, and they often have spiritual meanings. For example, the number 7 is repeated multiple times, aligning with its importance in Islamic practices and in the natural world, such as the 7 heavens. These patterns inspire many believers and scholars to explore the Quran from a mathematical perspective, seeing the text as a source of wisdom that connects spirituality with subtle scientific insights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel MIK Islam Hub for a dose of inspiration and knowledge. We share Islamic stories, historical events, and educational content to help you learn and grow. Press the bell icon to stay updated and join our community of learners.